Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this lecture, I will be solving the very good example which I have given in the last few lectures. That is, a to the power of a by b is equal to b to the power of b by a. If this is the condition given for any values of a and b, they are variables. Then how to find out a plus b if a is not equal to b? That is the condition. We have solved this equation, this problem, by using the calculus. Now, in this lecture, I will be not using the calculus. Without using the calculus, how to solve this problem? That I have given as a homework to you in the previous lecture. Please have a look at it, how to solve with the calculus method. Now in this, without using calculus, how to solve it, I have given as a homework. But however, I felt it is prudent for me to solve this equation without using calculus and give the solution to you. Here we have to find a plus b, wherein a to the power of a by b is equal to b to the power of b by a. Without using calculus, when the condition is given that a is not equal to b. Let us try to solve this equation. This problem rather. Question is given a plus b is equal to how much when a to the power of a by b plus b to the power of b by a, not plus, it is equal to, and a is not equal to b. Solve it without using calculus. Here the solution is, let a by b is equal to k. That implies a is equal to b into k. Then which implies b is equal to a by k. Now let us replace these values in the original equation. A to the power of a by b is equal to b to the power of b by a implies a is bk, bk to the power of a by b is k is equal to b to the power of 1 by k. Why? A by b is equal to k. Therefore, b by a is equal to 1 by k. These are the identities which we will use here, which implies bk to the power of k is equal to b to the power of 1 by k. Here you see the base is same. In both the left hand side and right hand side, b is the base. So that we have converted, we have eliminated a here, which implies by taking natural logarithms on both sides, we get k into ln bk is equal to 1 by k into ln b. That implies k into ln b plus ln k is equal to 1 by k into ln b. That implies k square into ln b plus ln k is equal to ln b. That implies k square into ln k is equal to ln b into 1 minus k square. That implies ln b is equal to k square ln k divided by 1 minus k square. That is equal to k square by 1 minus k square into ln k. Ln b is equal to k square by 1 minus k square into ln k. Which implies ln b is equal to ln k to the power of k square by 1 minus k square. Because a into ln b is equal to ln b to the power of a. This is the elementary property of the logarithms, which implies ln b is equal to ln k to the power of k square by 1 minus k square. By equating the value of b and this, we get b is equal to k to the power of k square by 1 minus k square. This is the value of b. A is equal to bk. From this we get A is equal to b into k. What is b value? K to the power of k square by 1 minus k square into k. That is equal to k to the power of 1 minus k square by 1 minus k square. Because log this a to the power of b into a to the power of c is equal to a to the power of b plus c. That implies a is equal to k to the power of 1 minus k square minus k square divided by 1 minus k square. This is 1 plus, sorry, it is not 1 minus. Because x to the power of a into x to the power of b is equal to x to the power of a plus b. This is the identity. Hence, it becomes k square get cancelled. A is equal to k to the power of 1 by 1 minus k square. That means ultimately what are the values we have got? A is equal to k to the power of 1 by 1 minus k square and B is equal to k to the power of k square by 1 minus k square. These are the two equations we have got A and B. Now, A by B, let us take some value. Let A by B is equal to, this is the solution, where A by B is equal to K and has many solutions satisfying such that A is not equal to B. We should ensure that A is not equal to B. Let us say K is equal to 1 by root 2. Let us take some value, some real value. K is equal to A by B is equal to 1 by root 2. We have taken. Now, what is A? A is equal to 1 by root 2 to the power of 1 by 1 minus k square. You just see from this, what we get 1 minus k square? 1 minus k square will be 1 by 1 minus root 2 whole square, that is equal to 1 minus half, that is equal to half. You just see 1 by root 2 to the power of half. This is the value of A. Then what is the value of k square by 1 minus k square? This is the 1 minus k square is half, 1 by half, that is equal to 1 by root 2 to the power of 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Therefore, A is equal to 1 by 2. Now, what is the value of B? Whether we get the same value or not, let us see. B is equal to A by K. What is A? 1 by 2. Divided by what is K? 1 by root 2. That is equal to root 2 by 2. That is 1 by root 2. That means for k is equal to 1 by root 2, a is equal to half and b is equal to 1 by root 2, which implies a is not equal to b, but the equation a to the power of a by b is equal to b to the power of b by a is satisfied from above. The above value of k is found, the above value of a and b are found from the given equation. The solution is final, the solution is a is equal to k to the power of 1 by 1 minus k square and b is equal to k to the power of k square by 1 minus k square. These are the final solutions of the given equation where k is equal to a by b and a is not equal to b. We have found out similar solution with the help of calculus also. Now without using the calculus we got the solution. Hence I thought it will be prudent for me to use this method without using calculus. Wherever calculus is not applied also we can get the solution, similar solution. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing my lecture. I want to stop this lecture now and best of luck to everybody in the examinations. And if you feel there is a value addition to you because of this lecture, kindly share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IIT.